It is
cornflakes in your mouth. Get that spoon and swish it all out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be reacting to some very extremely hilarious TikTok videos. I've got my daughter here with me.
Hello.
And I hope you enjoy our reaction. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Let's get into the reaction.
Okay, I'm a sandwich. Male,
Oh my
Western
God.
relish. Strictly
Oh,
condiment
no,
sandwich. Maybe hot sauce Italian dressing. I'm a sandwich.
He's a sandwich. He's a sandwich. Oh my God.
That was
Right.
hilarious.
Next video.
How did she do that? That's just amazing.
She looks like...
Damn.
Okay. Right, here we go. One of my favorite ones. Woo! Yeah, so basically she just sent the children out the house, and that was like she got a phone call and it was like she won the lotto because school is back in session, and she was like basically woo. But that was funny. I think that was funny. Here we go. So here we've got this dog.
Steak medium well, just like you requested.
And the dog is at the restaurant.
Oh my.
The dog is having his favourite food. He's got hands. And he's like, thank you for my drink. Oh my God. Oh my God. He just tipped the waiter. TikTok is not a real place. TikTok is not a real place. Seriously? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, that's scary. What do you think of that?
That was creative.
That's creative, isn't it? I like, how do they do that? How, if you guys know how she managed to get her scarf to look like a snake, comment in the comment box below. And here we go. Some makeup tips. Some
How did she do that?
eyelash. You know, we ladies, we've got a problem with how we put them lashes on, because I can't put lashes on. That was something else. I mean, do they sell those in the shops? Do you think they sell them in the shops?
I hope so.
Because you know your mom can't put on lashes. It's like it would take me like a month, 10 months to get them lashes on. Okay, let's get to the next one.
How did she freeze the water? How?
Rewind. Could we predict that? When rain's gonna fall, we're like, freeze rain. and action. Wow. And then we have this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So
6.
it's counting the
Only
toes.
you. Better.
Cringing. 6 toes. Who's got 6 toes? Me, sir. Me, miss. Here we go. Another.
Okay,
So we
just
can
the top
see
toe left
1,
to go
2,
that-
3, 4, 5
What?
fingers. They don't. This finger
not-
seems a bit
That's not right.
abnormal.
Hold up.
Like that's good.
Get it off.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Much.
Ow.
Ouch. 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 TikTok is not a real place. TikTok is not a real place. Oh my God. Here we go. The don't eat it, right? Don't eat it challenge.
Here, wait.
So here we see
Then
this
don't
little
touch it. Wait till
boy.
Mummy gets back.
His
Wait till
mom's
Mummy
giving
gets
him an
back.
ice cream.
Okay, wait till Mummy get. Don't eat it till Mummy gets back.
Saying don't eat
Okay?
it.
All right. All right. Wait.
Nice chocolate treat, you know. Place it in front of him. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Is he gonna eat it? Is he gonna be tempted? Let's see. He tasted it. He tasted it. Fail. Challenge fail.
I told you had to wait.
Bless him.
Okay.
It's so cute. And
It is.
cornflakes in your mouth. Get that spoon and swish it all out. Cornflakes in your mouth. Get that flakes and squish it all out. Cornflakes in your mouth. Get that flakes and squish it all out. Oh my God. And here we go. This one. Get on your pony, get on your horses, get them horses, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh guys, that takes us to the end of our reaction to these funny TikTokers. If you want to see more, let us know in the comment. Let us know if you want to see some more hilarious reaction with my daughter here. Yeah, let us know. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay? And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.